Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. You need to start by accessing Sound Recorder app. Now tap on Standard and select one of those options, Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will go with Standard, so I have to tap on it and click on this red button. Now select Allow in the pop-up, and as you can see, recording is now on. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the middle button again. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and in order to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now name your recording however you wish to and choose Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select bin icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice by choosing Delete all items. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!